for one object. 4 lines of initialization. Correct? For one object, 4 lines of initialization. Yeah, fine, no problem, one object. But you imagine, now I want you to imagine worst case scenario. Worst case scenario. Imagine your own company. In your company only, there are 50 employees. Any employees unaru? 50 use mathematics, little mathematics, yeah. Means how many objects? 50 employees and how many objects? 50 employees and any objects. So 50 objects. Very good. 50 employees means 50 objects. 50 employees means 50 objects. 50 employees means 50 objects. Yeah. For one object, 4 lines of initialization. For one object, 4 lines of initialization. For 50 objects, any lines of initialization. Ayyo, Devuda. Okay. Ida problem. Avunu, ide problem. For okati object ki 4 lines of initialization, 50 employees ఉన్నారు మీ కంపెనీలో 50 ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు. 50 ఎంప్లాయీస్ అంటే ఒక ఎంప్లాయీకి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇంకోటి ఎంప్లాయీకి ఇంకోటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇంకోటి ఎంప్లాయీకి ఇంకోటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్. యా ఓ ఫర్ 50 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ 200 lines of initialization. Easy. Program is easy only. E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot, E3 dot, E3 dot, E3 dot, E3 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot. E5 dot, E5 dot, E5 dot, oh, E6 dot, E6 dot, E6 dot, E7 dot, E7 dot, oh my God, where am I? Are you understanding? It is easy, but tell me, is it boring? Sleep you will get. Early morning you will go to office and nicely sleep. Correct? Easy, time-taking process. It's time-taking process, irritating job. Means can I say like this? Can I say like this? Can I say like this? Yeah. Initialization becomes lengthy. Can I say if I do this kind of initializing? If I do this kind of initializing, go to E1, E2, E3, E3. Can I say you go for loop, whatever you are telling? No, sir. Can I go for scanner, sir? Sir, can I go for looping, sir? You today after the class, sit and try. You will understand. Sit and try. You will understand. Okay. Can I say problem number 1 in easy level of programming? Problem number 1. Initialization is lengthy process. Initialization is lengthy process. I'll repeat. Don't worry. I'll repeat. Correct? Problem number 1. Correct? Okay. Can you take a screenshot of this? Take one screenshot. Let's check you take. Tarvata, you are writing your book. Now I don't have time for you to give writing book because I don't want you to forget the topic. That's why. Take screenshot. Later on, after the class, you have to sit and write. Easy level programming. What is the problem number 1? Ainda. Screenshot ainda. Come on, come on, come on. సూపర్. ఇంకోటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డిలీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. Say suppose I want to write a program for student. Class student. Once again I'm repeating problem number 1. Public string name. Public integer age. Public string email ID. Public double 10%. Public inter public double inter percentage. Public double semester 1%. Public double semester 2%. Public double semester 3%. Public double semester 4%. Public double semester 5%. Public double semester 6%. Public double semester 7 semester percentage. Public double 8%. Yeah, like this you can keep on going. Public double father name, mother name. Are you understanding here? College name, aim college, stream. Ayyo vastaye. It keeps on going. Enough. Chalu. Inta chalu. Yeah. Any variables non-static. Obviously, name is different from one student to another student. Age is different from one student to another student. Email is different from one student to another student. All 10% different undi. I am repeating problem number 1, Subramaniam. I am repeating problem number 1 with the another example. Is it clear? Yeah. That inter percentage different from one student to another student. All semester percentage, obviously all are non-static. Any variables unnai? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 enta 30. Oh. Suppose ఇప్పుడు ఓకే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తా. ఈజీ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. Student S1 equal to new student. First job of new, create an object. Second job of new, load all the non-static. Name, age, email, 10th, inter, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8. Null 0, null 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. Object address stored in a variable S1. So ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ కి ఎన్నిసారి ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ 13 times, sir. Okay. Work object. How will you do initialization? S1 dot name, S1 dot age, S1 dot email, S1 dot 10. There is no other way. This is easy level. No, that's why there is no other way. Easy level, this is the way. S1 dot 10, S1 dot inter, S1 dot S1, S1 dot S2, S3 dot, S4 dot, S1 dot, S1 dot, S1 dot. So for one student object, any initialization for one student object, any initialization for one student object, 13 lines of initialization cheyali. Okay, done. So ipudu me class in your class itself, when you are attending offline class, minimum in your batch, how many students were there? Oh, yo, sir, 150, sir. Minimum 150. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు for 150 students అంటే 150 object. Any times initialization 150 chair. Normal ga 150 will take. Any sare? Oh my God. 150 into 13. 1950 lines only. 1500 lines of initialization. Tell me, is this easy only? It's not difficult, easy only. But is it a lengthy process? This is very easy. E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, E1 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot, E2 dot, E3 dot, E3 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E4 dot, E5 dot, E5 dot, E5 dot, E5, E6 dot, E6 dot, E6 dot. So that is what అదే నేను కూడా అదే చెప్పాను. యా ఇప్పుడు ఈజీ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది? ప్రాబ్లం నంబర్ 1, initialization lengthy process. Screenshot ఇంకోటి సారీ screenshot. That is why it is called as easy level, Sai Kumar. Anduke it is easy level. Well, you want someone to bike? Send someone. It's okay. Bike alaga karkano. Send Isha or someone. Screenshot taken. Perfect. Problem number 1. Wait cheyandi. Inkoti problem undi. Ora, very good. Problem number 2. Shall I show problem number 2? Perfect. Okay, observe now. Observe here also. Here also for one car. How many lines of initializing? 2 lines. Yeah. Let us assume so Suppose you forgot to initialize. Suppose you forgot to initialization చేయడానికే forget చేసావు. Human beings appa, we will forget. Obviously we will forget. Human beings are there to forget only. Suppose I forgot to initialize, but I called the method for performing operation. మర్చిపోయాను, ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ చేయడానికి మర్చిపోయాను. బట్ కానీ I called the method to perform operation. But I called the method to perform the operation. But నేను ఒక method, I called it to perform operation. Yeah. Oh, let's see what is the output. Oh, distance traveled by car is 0 kilometer. Distance traveled by car is 0 kilometer. Distance traveled by car is 0 kilometer. Ammo, baboy, endukra 0 kilometer? Endukra 0 kilometer? Very good. Sir, we are getting 0 because we forgot to initialize. Initialization చేయడానికి మర్చిపోయావు. అందుకే variables will have default values. Awesome. Variables will have a default value. Super line. Keep on doing the same job. Very soon you will get job. Yeah. Okay, let us do it. I am at line number 28, current object. I am at line number 28, current object. C1, first job of new, create an object. Second job of new, load all the non-static members. Non-static members speed, value 0, non-static member time, value 0, find distance. Yeah. Object address stored in C1. JVM will go to line number 29, current object. C2, first job of new, create an object. Second job of new, load all the non-static members, speed, value 0, time, value 0, plus a method, find distance. Object address is stored in a variable C2. C2. Sudhir. Nitin is there, miss? Call Nitin. Nitin is there. Again, now JV will go to line number 30. Kishore. Neenu Kishore Guruba. Again, current object, C3, very good. First job of new, create an object, load non-static, speed 0, time 0, find distance, object address C3. Now if you call a method, C1 dot find distance, Nitin also. C1 dot find distance. Here distance formula. What is the formula here? Speed into time, speed into time, speed into time, speed into time. Zero, speed is zero, time also zero, zero into zero, obviously zero. Very good, very good. Again, C2 dot distance. C2 dot find distance. 0 into 0, 0. C3 dot find distance. 0 into 0, 0. Did you understand problem number 2? Easy level programming. Easy level programming. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. If we forget to forget, I'm not telling you will forget, only chances are there you will forget. మర్చిపోయావంటే, if we forget to initialize non-static variable, forget, we forget initialize non-static variable, the method will not operate properly. Method is not operating properly. Why? Because method uses non-static, I'll repeat again, non-static variable. Method uses non-static variable to perform operation. అర్థమైందా? అట్లీస్ట్ సమ్ పీపుల్ డిడ్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? మీకు అర్థమైందా? నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను అది అర్థమవుతుందా? Screenshot, fast. One more time I want to repeat this. Screenshot తీసుకున్నారా? Here, we'll see this program. This program. Suppose I forgot to initialize non-static variable. Forgot, but called display method. Forgot, but called the method. You forgot to initialize non-static variable, but called the method. ఏమవుతుంది? According to syntax, correct, because it will have a default value. But practical issues. Name null anta, salary 0.0 anta, null anta, annual salary 0.0 anta. ఎందుకురా ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది? Because we forgot to initialize non-static variable ని ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేయడానికి మర్చిపోయా. అందుకే default values ఉంది. So method is also printing default values. Method is also operating with default values. Hence we are getting wrong results. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Easy level programming. Problem 2. If we forget to initialize non-static variable the method will not operate properly. Method will not operate properly because method uses non-static variable to perform operation. లే ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైందా? ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమైతే సొల్యూషన్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. If you forget to initialize one object, left it that object. If you forget to initialize two objects, left it two objects. If you forget to initialize all objects, left it all objects. Here the point is not one object you forgot, second object you forgot. Here the point is you forgot. That is the point here. Over. Wait. We will take screenshot with respect to this one. Here. Now take screenshot. You will have the better idea. Display method output. Why you are getting this output? Because you forgot to initialize non-static variable. ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకోండి. Problem 1, problem 2 only summary. I told you to take screenshot for what purpose? So that you write the summary. Summary of easy level of programming. Problem 1, problem 2. That is a summary. Ainda screenshot. Did you take? Super. Yeah. What is the solution? Solution enti? Problem ki solution enti? Solution is by going to next level programming, that is medium level programming. Adu repu chuddam. మీడియం లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రేపు చూద్దాం. బట్ అర్థమైందా? ఈజీ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో మీకు అర్థమైందా? ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి అర్థమైందా? ఈజీ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్స్ లో ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ అర్థమైందా? టుడేస్ క్లాస్ డిడ్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? Super. Okay. Let's stop it for today. We'll catch up tomorrow. Okay? Bye. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Now what Java says, slow developer, don't do like this. E1 dot name equal to initialize. E1 dot company equal to initialize. E1 dot salary equal to initialize. E1 dot job role equal to don't do this. Don't initialize like this. For initializing purpose only. Don't do like this. Don't initialize like this. Is easy level. Don't initialize like this. Rather for initializing purpose only. Separate method create చేసావు. ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ చేయడానికేనే ఒక సపరేట్ మెథడ్ ఉంది, ఒక సపరేట్ మెథడ్ ఉంది, ఒక సపరేట్ మెథడ్ ఉంది. యా, యూజ్ దాట్ మెథడ్, యూజ్ దట్ మెథడ్, యూజ్ దట్ మెథడ్, యూజ్ దట్ మెథడ్. యా, ఓ ఓకే, use that method, use it, call it e1 dot set data, pass name Abhi, pass company IBM, pass salary 21.3, pass job role HR. Now what will happen? Now when you call a method, I'll repeat anyway, don't worry. Yeah. Now when you call a method, e1 dot set data, e1 dot set data. Yeah. You are passing the argument. Now Abhi will go sit in the argument A. A value Abhi. IBM sit in the argument B. $21,000.3 will sit in the argument C. HR will sit in the argument D. And data transfer will always happen from right side to the left side. Assigning will happen always from right side to the left side. Take A. What is in A? Abhi. A. What is in A? Abhi. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize the name. Which name? Present in object. Name is present in object. Name is present in object. Oh, okay. It became a V. Okay. Yeah. Take B. B. What is in B? IBM. Give it to equal. Equal will give it to company. IBM. Take C. C value 21,000 change. Give it to equal. Equal will give it to salary. Yeah. Salary became 21,000.3. Take D. HR. Give it to equal. Equal will give it to job role. Job role became what? Tell me. HR. Job role. Lay boss, are you understanding? From 4 lines of initializing, I reduced to how many lines? I reduced the 4 lines of initializing, reduced to how many lines here? 1 line. Yeah. Over. Take a neat screenshot. First take screenshot. Zoom, you take it. Still explanation is not yet completed. No disturbance in the middle. Take screenshot. Taraga. Thank you. Where is Abhi? ఇంకా రాలేదా కలిసి? స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారా? Later on you can write, don't write the program, take screenshot. Over. Now observe. Observe what happened now. Yeah. After initialization is complete, already this point I have repeated. Already previously I have repeated. Yeah. The moment JVM exits the method, all arguments becomes empty. Because Same method will be reused for another object. Same method will be reused for another object. Same method will be reused for another object. Yeah. So now create one more object. Create one more object. Create child. Employee. E2 equal to new employee. New employee. Again first job of new operator. Create an object. First job of new operator. ఒక నిమిషం. First job of new operator. Okay, done. First we'll create object first. First job of new operator. Create an object. Second job of new operator. Load all the non-static members again. Load name. Value null. Load company. Value null. Load salary. With 4 arguments for initializing non-static variable. Display method for displaying developer ilaga cheyoddu. E2 dot name separate ga initialize chayi. E2 dot company separate ga initialize chayi. E2 dot salary separate ga initialize chayi. E2 dot job role separate ga ఇలా చేయకూడదు. లెంతీ అవుతుంది. ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ చేయడానికనే we have created one separate method set data. ఆ మెథడ్ ని యూస్ చేయి. ఓకే, now here you call E2 dot set data. E2 dot set data Raj. Company HCL. Salary 19,000.1. Role admin. Over. Yeah, now what will happen? When you call a method, now. Raja will sit in the argument. Argument A. HCL will sit in the argument. B. 19,000 change will sit in the argument. C. Admin will sit in the argument. D. Play, boss, everyone. Flow, are you understanding the flow? Enter inside. Take A. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize name. Name becomes Raj. Take B. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize company. Company became HCL. Take 19,000. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize salary. Salary became 19,000.1. Take D. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize job role. What do you mean? అర్థమైందా? Take a screenshot. One more screenshot. ఇలాగే అన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఇలాగేనే అన్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి వర్క్ అవుతుంది. స్క్రీన్షాట్ టేకనా? స్క్రీన్షాట్ టేకన్నా? Perfect. Now come out of the method. JVM will come out of the method. The moment it comes out, tuck, all arguments becomes empty, which will be reused for next object, which will be reused for next object, which will be reused for next object. Yeah. Now your job is to display. Now your job is to display. E1 dot display. E2 dot display. E1 dot display. E2 dot display. Yeah. When you call, both the lines are executed at a time or line by line. Both the lines are executed at a time or line by line. Entire Java speaks of only non-static. Very rare case we go for static. Obviously non-static only. Why it can be static? How can a static method access non-static variable directly? Sir. Why set data is non-static, sir? Already I have covered. Day before yesterday only I told you. If a method uses non-static variable, then method is a non-static method. Revise చేయండి. That is why every day I'll ask you to sit and revise so that these questions will not come. Now coming back line by line. JVM is in line number 34. JVM is in line number 34. Current object. Current object entra. Current object entra. E1. Oh. Now display will display name. Display company. Display salary, display job role. Which name, which company, which salary, which job role, whose? Here also name, here also name, here also company, here also company, here also salary. Everdi, name everdi, company everdi, salary everdi, job role everdi. Sir, even sir, very good line, very good. Enduk even? Because current object is even, sir. Okay. Arthamaindra. Now JVM will go to line number 35. E2 dot display. ఇప్పుడు ఏం డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది? నేమ్, కంపెనీ, సాలరీ ఎవరిది? ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ది? ఏది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ది? సార్ E2 సార్. ఓకే రా. దాన్ని let us execute చేయండి. I got yesterday's output only. Yesterday's output only I got. But tell me, is number of lines of initializing is reduced? Is the number of lines of initializing is reduced? This is medium level programming. Are you able to see the huge difference between easy level and medium level now? Very good. First write this program. Fast. త్వరగా రాయండి త్వరగా. Fast.
చేస్తాను భయ్యా, ఇది అయిపోయింది.
Our program, remember? This program here, again, we are doing what? Tell me, initialization separately. Yesterday's car program convert to medium level. Yesterday's car program convert it to medium level. Make it quick, make it quick. Still we have another level to discuss. Make it fast. You have to car program to medium level. How many variables to initialize here? 2 variables to initialize. Very good. 2 variables. Yeah. Means I have to create a method with how many arguments? I have to create a method with how many arguments? Method with 2 arguments. Very good. You can give method name anything. Yeah. Public void, public void, public void, initialize data or initialize. Simply a method name initialize. Yeah. Initialize. String I. Sorry, int. Okay. Int I, comma, int j. I will initialize which variable? I will initialize which variable? Speed equal to I. Time equal to j. Speed equal to I. Time equal to j. Perfect. Yeah. Now create object. Yeah. Car C1 equal to new car. First job of new operator. I want to draw again and I want to show once again. One more last time I want to show that for you. Yeah. I know you have understood. Fantastic. Awesome. You're all intelligent. Yeah. But again, I want to repeat. First job of new, create an object. Second job of new, load all the non-static. Load speed. Value 0. Load time. Value 0. Load a method. Initialize with 2 arguments. Load another method. Find distance. Yeah. Object address is stored in a variable C1. Don't initialize separately. Speed, comma, time. Yeah. Now. Yeah. 120 will sit in the argument I. 3 will sit in the argument J. I value 120, J value 3. Enter inside. Yeah. Take I value 120. Give it to equal. Equal will initialize speed. Speed became 120. Take J value 3. Give it to equal. Equal will give it to time. Time became 3. Yeah. This is how the initialization process will work. I hope you have understood that. And I have done same way for all the 3 objects. I have done the same manner for all the 3 objects. Car C2 is equal to new car. Car C3 is equal to new car. Start initializing. C2 dot initialize 210, 2. C3 dot initialize 160, 4. Now call the method. C1 dot find distance. C2 dot find distance. C3 dot Find distance. Yes. You can use any name you can use. But make sure that names are readable. The point here is the name should be readable. That is the point. You can give set data, initialize, whatever you want. Hey, Danna, everyone Danna. Is everyone programmed like this only? Is everyone's program like this only? Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Did you understand medium level? So because of medium level, can I say, lengthy process of initialization is reduced. Because of medium level, can I say, lengthy process of initialization is reduced. But, shall I continue? Okay, people who have not done the program, make it fast. People who have not done this program, make it quick, correct the mistakes. I'll wait 1 minute.
పడితే వదలనులే మరిగితే కుత కుత తెగబడి నరుకుత అడులేదు ఈడు
You can give any name. Yes, in place of initialize, you can give any name. Oh, आराम से. Sir, if the state of static variable we put as non-static variable in position of non-static, whether we put it as static. I did not understand your question only, Venkatesh. And we are writing a practical program here, yeah. And how can you put in place of static, non-static, in place of non-static, static, like that and all, we cannot put. Like, it depends totally on the question. I cannot give you a fixed program like that and all. And whether it is static, non-static, it totally depends on the question and the program. Okay, now. Shall we continue, guys? Shall we go to the expert level? R level, expert level of programming. But there must be some problem here, yeah. What is the problem? In medium level of programming, what is the problem? Problem enti? In medium. Problem is, yeah. Sir, can I directly declare in method with argument? Directly declare method with argument means please, type the question properly and send. Okay, observe. Shall we discuss two more programs about? You want some more programs for media level, guys? I can give you exam. Do you need some more programs? Okay, one more program will do. Okay, done. No issues. I don't have problem. I'll give you the question and I want you to write it. Class loader will execute only one time. If a program does not have any static members, class loader will not execute. Yes. One more question we'll discuss, then we'll discuss the problem of it. Yeah. On screen. You should write it. Completely you should write it. Write a program. All intelligent fellows who are telling no. Thank you so much that you have understood, but many people are asking, sir, I need one more program. So we'll do it. Okay, everyone is important here. Write a program for below requirements. 3 books written by different authors. 3 books written by different author. With different title. 3 books written by different author with different title, with different genre, genre spelling what? Genre. You know what I mean by genre?
Genre.
Exactly. Genre means not genre only. Yeah. Okay, genre. Genre means whether this is this a comedy book related, comedy, whether is it related to thriller, fantasy, romance. That is called as genre. History, education, category. In another word, but actually it is not called as category, it is called as genre. With different genre. 3 books written by different author, with different title, with different genre, with different selling price. With different selling price. No, genre spelling is correct. G-E-N-R-E. I checked in Google. Create a method to initialize. Create a method to display. Create a main class. Fast, do it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. Take your time. It's okay. Our goal is to become perfect. Let it take go slow also, no problem. Class. Class. Main class 3. Oh, different author. Okay, done. Non-static. Public string. Book title. Public string. Book genre. Book genre. Public integer. Hello. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Book price. Book price. Yeah. Okay. Different author, different title. Book name. We don't call it as book name. Actually, it is called as title. Okay. We actually call it as book title. Clear? Book name is nothing but book title. Yeah. I need a method to initialize. Public void. Public void. Public void. Public void. Given user friendly name. What we can do? I'll discuss. Wait, Durga Prasad. Wait. That is the next concept. Yeah. Set to data, initialize. Can we come up with any other name? Can we come up with any other name? Any other name? Book details. Very good. Book details. Set book details. Set is required. Any word, okay? Simply give book details. Book details. String I, string J, string K, integer L, integer L, integer L, integer L. Put now only. Put now only. Hey, come here, come here. Author name equal to, once again, I. Book title equal to J. Book genre is equal to K. Book price equal to L. Book price equal to, sir, why book name is in red color? Very good question. Very good question. Yeah. Sir, till today all black color, now suddenly it became red color. Reason is there, Chappan. Very good, very good. Yeah. Yeah. Now initialization is over. Now. Tell me what to do. I need a method to display. Public void. Print. Book details. system dot out dot println. why red color, we'll discuss later. I already told you why book is in red color later, not today's topic. Yeah. So number of line, lengthy process of initialization is reduced. Lengthy process of initialization is reduced. Yeah. Now problem with medium level is, say you forgot to call the method for initializing. You forgot to call the method for initializing. For initializing, you forgot only. For calling only you. For initializing, we created one method. హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ మర్చిపోతావు, మర్చిపోవడానికి అది మా నేచర్ లోనే ఉంది. క్లియర్? యా. యు ఫర్గాట్ టు కాల్ ద మెథడ్ ఫర్ ఇనిషియలైజింగ్. అయ్యో, సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. null 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 null. If you don't initialize, obviously you will have what? Default values. You will have default values. అర్థమైందా? Again I'll repeat. You forgot to initialize. Call the method for initializing. You forgot to call the method for initializing. Lengthy process reduce, that I understand it. But if you forget to call method only, method ni ఏ మెథడ్ ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేస్తుందో ఆ మెథడ్ ని కాల్ చేయడానికి మర్చిపోతే again you will find the problem. చూడండి. ఓకే యా. మీన్స్ medium level programming is giving solution only to medium level programming is giving solution only to problem number 1. Very good. Medium level programming is giving solution only to reduce the lengthy process. Very good. Exactly. Yeah. But okay, lengthy process reduce. But if you forget to call the method only, if you forget to call the method only, is still problem number 2 remains. Is problem number 2 still remaining? If we forget to call the method for initialization again method which performs operation will not work properly because method uses non-static variable to perform. Of this problem still remains. Medium level of programming will reduce. Medium level programming will reduce. Lengthy process will reduce. Lengthy process of initialization. This is there. But if you forget that only, then the method which perform operation will get affected. So I need one final solution, appa. I need నాకు ఒక ఫైనల్ సొల్యూషన్ కావాలి. బోత్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి ఒక ఫైనల్ సొల్యూషన్ కావాలి నాకు. అదే ఎక్స్పర్ట్ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. ఎక్స్పర్ట్ లెవెల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నాము. యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ we will never forget to initialize. Both the solutions can be given by expert level programming. Are you understanding? Expert level programming will give solution for both the problem. Expert level programming will give solution for both the problems. One have you heard one stone, two fruits? I don't know in Telugu ela cheptaru. In Kannada we say ಒಂದೇ ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಕ್ಕಿ like that we say. What do you say in Telugu? Like that dialogue is there. Like that, first of all in Telugu like that dialogue is there. One shot, two birds. ఒక దెబ్బకి రెండు పిటలు. పిటలు మీన్స్ బర్డ్స్. ఓహో, ఓకే done. So for that both the solution, our expert level programming will give the solution. Medium level programming is giving solution only to first problem, but second problem still there. Sir, what is second problem, sir? Yesterday we covered. Revise that. Can you take a screenshot quick, take screenshot. We'll give introduction to expert level. Okay. Java is one bacha program only. Okay, this program, have you compared this program? Compare this program now. Pass. Compare it line by line. Zoop, compare it. Why display method is not initializing last? I did not understand. Are you asking, sir, can't we display method? అర్థం కాలేదు. అర్థం కాలే. Scroll down. Why don't we go through scanner? You can go through. Why not go through? Go. Aram se go through. Instead of you giving the value, give the value during runtime. Yes, aram se you can do it. Why not? You can, sir, can I replace book genre, replace book type? Yes, you can use it. Why string not comes under? Oh, you are very too early. After 1 month, you will understand why string is not a keyword. Not now. Okay, now, shall we move on? If you have returned. Ainda. Expert level. Programming says initialize all the non-static variable. Initialize all the non-static variable by using, shall I tell now what, tomorrow what? Now what, tomorrow? Hey, suspense will keep olay. Suspense will keep olay. Suspense, surprise. No, sir, please, sir. We are dying to know, sir. It is good to have suspense. Okay. So, by using. Sir, why Kattappa killed Bahubali like that? Please don't keep the suspense, sir, here. Yeah. Till that Bahubali movie 2 came. By using, okay, no more suspense. By using something called as a constructor. One of the major topic in Java. One of the biggest major topic in Java. Yeah. Initialize all the non-static variable by using constructor. Yeah, done. So constructor will overcome both the problems. Yeah. What is that problem number 1? Lengthy process of initializing. Lengthy. Evarra video. Sir, when you will start oops concept anta? Hey, ekkadi nunchi vachavra? When you will start oops concept? Ammo. All okay, we'll overcome lengthy process of initialization. Lengthy process. Okay, done. Focus, guys. Yeah. Constructor will overcome lengthy process of initialization as well as if you use constructor for initializing. If you use constructor for initializing, method which lengthy process of initialization is removed. With the help of constructor, lengthy process of initialization is removed, and method which performs operation. Method which perform operations. Method which performs operation by using non-static variable. Full stop. Such methods will not face problem. Constructor will guarantee that. Boss, come back. Yeah. Come back. Constructor will guarantee that. Like developer, I promise you, lengthy process of initialization will not be there. That problem is removed. Plus, constructor promises that, hey, all the methods, ever unnaro method, performing operation by using non-static variable. Such methods, our methods see, don't worry, will not face problem because nenu nano. Constructor gives promises for problem number 1 as well as problem number 2. Yeah, this is expert level programming. This is how Java developers in IT companies, this is how they program it. That is by using constructor. Konjamga artham avutunda. Please write this. Please write this in your book.